Hello and welcome to my channel Jura Krakowsko-Częstochowska experience. We are on part 3 of this video and we are going up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos. Put your comments below. This way up is only for having a panoramic view of everything. Almost at the top. And we are at the top. On second video we've been there. First video was climbing up over here, and here is the third one, having the ability to have a panoramic view. Let's make another round. And with that, we will wrap up this video. Wishing you all a very pleasant Sunday. Today is the 17th of August 2025. Goodbye.